Bloopers, that's Planespotting at LAX. September, whatever day it is, 2013.
September 28th.
Bitch, I don't know. What would you like to say to the viewers?
Hi, what's up? Stay pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah, everyone should come. Best place on earth! No, Disney, that's the best. Shut up! You should come definitely meet us when people were awesome and really friendly.
Yeah, not him.
I like boobs!
So do I.
Also, hey. Well, I gotta take a really serious.
I wonder
Subscribe to me! The Drive Animal is cool! Yeah!
You're Mr. Real Fan HD. I'm gonna catch this.
Oh.
Look at how it shows up.
I listen to that sound quality. Bicycle X has a cure the problem on Windows. Until me, hear me sing.
Horrible scene. It's the police.
It's a big boob rock!
Run, it's the Topo. No, I'm serious. This is going on YouTube.
Big friend. Is this all recording?
There's Calviny.
Calviny!
I tried calling you.
You're late.
I tried calling you. I knew. What would you like to say to the viewers?
We were up on that hill, like foaming our butts off.
We're having so much fun over there.
Yeah, we're foaming our butts.
This is going on YouTube.
I gotta go.
Americano.